Today, we're gonna draw Big Bird from Sesame Street.
And what else?
And what else? And Kermit the Frog from Sesame Street.
Who is Kermit the Frog?
You will find out. His name is Kermit and he's a frog. First, we're gonna draw Big Bird, okay?
Because he's the biggest. I know why he's called Big Bird.
Because he's biggest, okay?
He's the biggest of all Sesame Streets.
Okay, so here we go, Big Bird. First, we will start with his head, okay?
And so large.
We're gonna do his beak down here in the middle, near the top. So we're gonna do a curve up like this. Very good. All right. Inside, we're gonna have his the black part of his eye, 2 dots, okay, 1 on each eyeball, and we're gonna draw the rest of his mouth, okay. So he has a beak because he's a bird. So let's draw his beak, okay?
Big Bird.
Big bird. So this curve down here,
Beak.
and then we're gonna come down.
Beak Bird. I like to call him Beak Bird because he has a beak.
Okay, so draw that, and then the bottom of his mouth is open. Draw that. Kind of looks like that, okay? So we're gonna draw his feather, his head. We're gonna start from the mouth here.
Ta-da.
Yeah, let's
When
draw
I'm
him
really,
first, okay?
really good, can we do like this?
Yeah.
When I'm a little good, we do a little more better, I do high five.
So draw like a cloud around his head.
Like a fuzzy, muzzy
Yeah.
feather cloud, something.
Yeah, yeah. And he's got 3 feathers on his head. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3. Okay?
I'm going to do the extra small.
Yes. You see how this? Small, big, small. Okay?
Small, big, small.
And now we're gonna draw his body, okay? It's gonna go, it looks like this. 3 segments to his legs. We're gonna do this. Okay, we're gonna do this. Rectangle, curved. Curvy rectangle, okay? Okay. And then gonna be a skinny band like this. Skinny banana.
Okay, I draw really, really skinny.
Not too skinny, we need to color it, okay? So
Yeah.
if it's too skinny, then you can't color it. And then we're gonna do another rectangle here.
A little bigger.
Another rectangle, same size as the one on top, okay? They're all the same size. Then we'll do another banana sausage shape.
Do we keep doing that?
And then we're gonna do one more. Okay, last one, okay? After this one is his foot. He's got big bird foot. Okay, so his big bird foot looks like this. He's got 3 toes. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. So
Okay.
big.
Okay, and then we'll draw his arms, okay? His arms come out like this. And then hand. Mine's a little bit too skinny. Okay.
I'll do mine a little fat.
Okay. Now we'll draw Kermit the Frog, okay? Kermit the Frog, his head is like
Frog.
right, he's a frog head. Okay, watch this. So we're gonna start from near the top, okay? We're gonna do this. And then we're going to come down a little bit, okay? Just a little bit. Extend it a little bit. Then we're gonna draw his eyes, okay? His eyes are on the side of his head. So I'm gonna do that. Draw an eyeball, okay? And then we'll do the same thing here. Okay. And then we'll come down to a curve, okay? Watch. Curve. Okay, and then we're gonna come down to the middle and connect, okay, a point. Stop here, okay, one side at a time, okay? One side at a time, stop there. Okay, so now we're gonna draw his mouth, okay? He's got a frog mouth. So we're gonna do this on the side here, a little curve, smiling. Okay, and we're gonna draw a curve here and stop.
Here, stop.
Take a break, and then we're gonna connect to the other side. And then we're gonna draw his mouth. Big smiling mouth. Same thing, you come down to the middle, stop. Alright, so we're gonna connect this up here and we're gonna draw his tongue. It's up here. And there's a line in the middle. Okay? And his eyeball is really funny looking. Okay? His eyeball looks like the planet Saturn. It's a circle. Yeah, it's a circle. So draw 2 circles. Draw a circle. Okay, draw a circle. Circle. Big circle. Big black circle. There we go. Same thing on the other side. Okay?
It's so weird.
Oh yeah, what's so weird? Yeah, watch this. You draw a line through it.
That's silly.
There we go. Good job.
That's so silly.
And he's got like a leaf or something. I'm not sure what he's wearing, but he's wearing this thing. It's like a plant.
Oh, I think it's a jacket.
And it might be like a scarf. I'm not sure, but he's wearing that around his neck. Okay? And then on the bottom is his body. So we're gonna do a curve. Okay, so watch. Curve. Just like Big Bird. Alright, and we're gonna draw his legs. So that's.
I think that's the pattern on his. I think I know. I think I've seen him before when I was little.
Probably. I think everybody's seen him before. He's got 3 toes too. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Oh, I did 2 by accident.
And then now.
I'm gonna try next one.
Now we're gonna draw his arm. He's waving.
1,
He's waving hello.
2.
He's got a skinny arm, and 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Same thing on the other side.
No, I was gonna draw it down. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. He's waving, saying hi.
How about he sing hi to me?
Sure.
Miracle frog.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Okay. Hi, Charlotte. Hi, Daddy. He's
All
saying
right.
hi to you.
Okay.
Hi to me.
Okay, so that's Big Bird and Kermit the Frog. Let's call it them, okay?